What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to migrate from WordPress to Shopify. So let's get right to it. First of all, here as you can see I'm signed into my Shopify my WordPress dashboard and also my Shopify account with my Shopify store. Now, one thing to note is that in order to import WordPress from Shopify, you need to import your WordPress store to Shopify. So that's WooCommerce, which is the e-commerce plugin for WordPress. You cannot copy any normal website from WordPress to Shopify, as Shopify is an online store. It doesn't have the capability to browse normal pages or blog posts or any other types of website. So if you want to migrate from WordPress to Shopify, you need to in other words, migrating your e-commerce store or WooCommerce store to Shopify. WordPress has the ability to create all kinds of websites, from blog posts to single landing pages and so much more. So here you must note that you have to install WooCommerce or have WooCommerce installed on your WordPress here, and you have created your online store on WooCommerce, and you will be able to migrate your WooCommerce store to Shopify. So in order to do so, unfortunately, there isn't a direct way to do it, or like an option on WordPress to export your WooCommerce store data to WordPress. In this video, or in this case, to do so, we will need to get to a third-party website. That's shopping-cart-migration.com, which is a great tool that will help us migrate from any e-commerce platform to another. So what you need to do is to go to the website shopping-cart-migration.com, and here you wanna, from this menu, select WooCommerce, which is the e-commerce platform of WordPress, as I told you, and we want to select Shopify. So from WooCommerce to Shopify, and here is the confirmation. You want to enter your email here and then try for free to start the process. So I'll enter my email here and then click on try for free, or if you already have an account here, you can log in to it. And here it'll ask you some questions. Okay, I am a store owner, and here my account is created on the cart-to-cart platform, or the shopping cart migration platform that I opened. Okay, and here I need to select the source and target. So the source is WooCommerce. I need to enter my admin URL, so I'll go back to WordPress, copy the URL here, and then paste it in the admin URL. And here I'll need to provide the admin login and password that I use to WordPress. So I'll put them in right here pretty quickly. Or if you want to upload Bridge using FTP or manually, so this is another way. If I click on it, it'll show you the steps. I can download the connection Bridge to the Bridge app, and I can unpack it and upload the Bridge to Cart folder to my store's root on WordPress, and then here check the connection to the source. So this is another way to do it. However, I'll just go and do it here in this page. So I want to install it manually if I want to, or install plugin. However, let's go ahead and enter the admin login and password for our WordPress. Okay, and now the target cart setup. The target is Shopify. I can here click try migration using cart-to-cart test store. Here, of course, if you are just testing out this method and your Shopify store isn't like an official store, or you're just messing around, trying the different methods, and you're not worrying about dismembering your Shopify store, then you can try migrating using cart-to-cart test store. However, I'll just go ahead and migrate with the default way. Now here, make sure the target cart is Shopify, and I want to paste the target store URL, so my Shopify store, which you'll find in Shopify here. And then if you go to settings and then click on online store, click on the eye next to it. It'll open up your store in a new page, and you can copy your store URL. However, here in this case, I already connected a custom domain to my Shopify store. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't work, I'll go ahead in the settings and pull up my default URL for Shopify. So paste your store URL here, and now here you want to check the cart-to-cart WooCommerce import app needed to enable it on your Shopify store. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that on your Shopify here, you need to install the cart-to-cart plugin or app. So here in the search bar for the App Store, type in cart-to-cart. Okay, it opened up the picked apps. So I want to go to the Shopify App Store to search for the cart-to-cart app to install it. Okay, now here in the search, type in cart-to-cart. Okay, and here it is, the cart-to-cart store migration app. Here you want to click on it, and then click on install. It'll redirect to this page where it'll ask me to install the app. Click on install. And now the cart-to-cart app is installed successfully, and it'll redirect me to this page right here. Okay, and once it's installed, I'll just delete this page right here and this one also. Go back to the cart-to-cart main page that I was on. And now simply you can here choose entities. Click here on choose entities. Okay, and depending on your store size, it might take a while. Now here we have like a couple of error messages. It needs the cart-to-cart store migration app is required. We just installed it. However, it might need like a couple of minutes just to completely install the app on our Shopify store. So if you get this error message, you can try in like a couple of minutes. And another error message is incorrect WordPress admin URL. So here they weren't able to connect successfully to my WordPress. So I'll go to WordPress once again, and here this is the admin URL that I copied. So go to my site here and make sure the URL is correct. And once you like confirm the URL, go ahead and try again with cart-to-cart, and it should be like a smooth process. So once you fix your URL and make sure it's correct, just paste it right here, and make sure you stored, or you in your Shopify store, you installed the cart-to-cart app. So if I go to apps here, okay, the cart-to-cart is not installed, so they were correct. Let's try again installing it. So So if you go ahead and try to install it once again, it will work. And in this case, okay, here it shows up right here. As I told you, it might needed some like a couple of minutes to finish. So if I go ahead and then click on choose entities once again, okay, now maybe it needs more time to detect the app on my Shopify store. However, this is the way. Once you confirm the app and click on choose entities and go ahead with the steps, you should be able to successfully import your WooCommerce store to your Shopify.